So Ollie and I here, we've been really bored lately. I mean, especially with the Tracy Anderson method. It's to be expected that when you're doing the same workout every day for 10 days, like you do with Metamorphosis, it gets boring. If you haven't endured this, you probably will. What a great opportunity for us to learn from each other, how to keep this fresh, how to keep it fun. We have the standard tips of how to beat boredom, like update your playlist, have a fun outfit. There's different things. Today I just want to share with you what's really been helping me. Now, this is not the best advice because it may be too distracting for people, but for me, it's like the perfect amount of distraction to keep me focused and give me something else to look forward to in the workout. Hi, my name is Rachel. Each week I create content around the Tracy Anderson method and then other things I'm doing to help me in general and like live a better life. That's, I think, what we're all after on some level. So I've been getting bored, and thankfully, I have been very consistent with Metamorphosis, and given the workouts, doing them 10 days in a row, it gets boring. One of the things I've been doing is actually watching YouTube videos on my phone while I do the workout. Now, these are usually like interviews and things, so things that I don't have to actually watch, so I still can watch the workout, but it gives me something to think about as I'm doing the workout. And you would think it would be distracting for me, but it really does help me focus on the workout while I have something different in the background. Maybe it's just like an alternative to listening to music. I have something else to kind of chew on while I'm doing the workout. And what's been so fun about it is I've been learning about these topics I didn't even know I'd want to learn about. One of them being about something called the Kibbe method, which is a way to find out what your style is based on your body structure, your bone structure, how your body's shaped, and it is fascinating. I've been going down that rabbit hole. I've been learning about relationship communication, which has been interesting, and I just want to share this with you because it's been helping me. It may not be the best advice, but if we're all in this together, maybe it'll help someone. It's been helping me, and I'm just glad I've been consistent. I'm seeing changes. I'm so glad I went back to Metamorphosis. It's like the best decision I've ever made for me. I don't know if it's for everyone, but if you're going through boredom, if you will be going through boredom, think about what you can do to just make it more enjoyable. And yes, still pay attention, still get engaged, still feel the moves, still work through the burn, all those great things, but sometimes you just need some compromise. Sometimes I need some compromise. Sometimes I'm just not going to be perfect. I'm not going to do it perfect. And what I'm not going to do either is like pretend like I'm totally perfect. So even though this is probably bad advice, we'll find out soon enough if this all backfires, but I've been consistent. I'm loving the results of Metamorphosis. This is just something that's been helping me work through the boredom. And what a great opportunity to learn from you. What are you doing to get through the boredom? Because it is inevitable. So please be sure to comment below. If you like this video, you know the drill. And if you aren't subscribed yet, that really hurts my feelings. Anyways, I hope you have an awesome week. Thank you so much for watching this short, casual video. Glamour slashes. I'll see you next time. Bye.